Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an AWS account. So let's start. At first, come to this site aws.amazon.com and click on Complete Sign Up button. After this, scroll down, click on Create a new AWS account. After this, give the email ID with which you want to create this account and also give a sample account name. For example, I will give Rajeshri and then I will click on Verify email address. After this, a mail will be sent. This is the email verification for AWS account creation and this is the verification code. So copy it and paste it here. Click on Verify. It's your email address has been verified. Now give a root user password and give the same password to confirm. Click on Continue step 1 of 5. You can save the password or you can not. It's your wish. Now here you have to give the contact information. How do you plan to use AWS? I will click Personal for your own projects. Then I have to give my own name, address and my contact details. The country or region I have to give. So 91 for India. Then my region is India. I will select. After giving the address, city and state and postal code, click on the checkbox I have read and agree to the terms of the conditions of AWS customer agreement. Then click on agree and continue. Here you have to give your credit card information or debit card information. But remember, you cannot use your RuPay card. Only a Visa or MasterCard is applicable here. So I will give my credit card information here. Here select if you have a PAN or not. After giving your billing information, click on Verify and continue. I have to give the OTP for my credit card here. It is confirming the payment with my bank. It will cut a small charge like rupees 2 or 5 and it will refund it later. Here I have to confirm my identity. Primary purpose of account registration, I will select personal use. Ownership type, I will select individual. Here I will give my date of birth details in YYYMMDD format. Here I have to enter the PAN details. The name I will select my name. Here I have to upload the PAN card photo. So I will choose the file. After that, check this box. I consent to allowing AWS to use and send the information above to a third-party service. Click on Continue step 4 of 5. Here I have to confirm my identity. For that, I have to confirm my phone number. So I will select text messages. The country code will be 91 for India. Give your country code of your choice and then give the mobile number. Click on Send SMS to get the code in your phone. Here we have to give this CAPTCHA for security verification. Here I have to enter the code which I received on my phone. Here I have to select a support plan. I will choose the basic support plan because it is free as of now and I don't want to get charged. And then I will click on Complete Sign Up. There are other support plans also, but that you have to pay for it. For now, I will select the free version and congratulations. you are successful in creating your first AWS account. Now you can click on Go to AWS Management Console to go to the console. This is the AWS console. You can manage all your application configurations from here. From here, you can go to the different services like compute, blockchain, developer tools, etc., EC2 and all. So you can start learning AWS or using the services from here. So that's it for today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.